What if your laptop could generate $10,000 a month without you ever showing your face, using your own voice, or having any prior experience? In 2026, this is not a fantasy. There are creators running faceless YouTube channels right now pulling in 5 figures a month. Some of them started with 0 subscribers, 0 experience, and 0 budget. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how the math works, what it actually takes to get there, and the fastest legitimate path to $10,000 a month from a faceless YouTube channel. Welcome back to Venture Void, where we break down the exact tools and systems solo founders and small teams are using to build real income without a big budget or a big team. If this is your first time here, subscribe now. We drop new breakdowns every single week. Today we are pulling back the curtain on the $10,000 a month faceless YouTube model and showing you exactly what it takes to get there. First, let's talk about how the money actually works. YouTube pays content creators through its partner program based on advertising revenue. The metric that determines your earnings is called RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. In the AI tools and business niche, RPM typically runs between $10 and $25 per 1,000 views. That means to hit $10,000 a month, you need somewhere between 400,000 and 1 million views per month. That sounds massive, but here's the thing, it compounds. Every video you publish keeps generating views every single day. A library of 50 videos each, averaging a few hundred views a day, adds up fast. The creators hitting 10,000 a month are not going viral. They are stacking consistent views across a large back catalog. The second income stream that most people miss is affiliate marketing. You do not need to be monetized to earn affiliate income. From your very first video, you can include affiliate links in your description. In the AI tools niche, every tool you talk about has an affiliate program paying 20 to 40% recurring commission. If 10 people sign up for a $50 a month tool through your link, that is $500 a month in passive recurring income before you even qualify for YouTube ads. So what does the fastest path to $10,000 a month actually look like? Here's the honest breakdown. Month 1 through 3, post consistently, build your library, collect data. You are not earning yet, but you are building the asset. Month 3 through 6, you hit monetization requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Ad revenue starts, but it is small. Month 6 through 12, your back catalog starts compounding. Multiple videos are generating daily views. Affiliate commissions are stacking. You are earning, but probably not at 10,000 yet. Month 12 through 18, channels that maintain consistency and quality start seeing real momentum. The algorithm knows your content, recommends it regularly, and your library is large enough to generate serious daily view counts. 10,000 a month becomes achievable for channels that did the work in the first year. Now here's the catch nobody talks about. Most faceless channels quit before month 6. The views are slow in the beginning. The algorithm takes time to understand your content. The money is not immediate. The channels that make 10,000 a month are the ones that treated it like a real business from month 1, not a side experiment they abandoned when the first few videos did not go viral. Here is what you can control. Post consistently, optimize your titles and thumbnails for clicks, cover topics people are actively searching for, include affiliate links from day 1, and build your library as fast as you can in the first 90 days. The faster you build the catalog, the faster the compounding starts. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to Venture Void. We drop a new breakdown every week on exactly how to build this. Drop in the comments what your target monthly income is. I read every single one. See you in the next one.